When you're out chasing real adventure, whether it's freediving off a reef, flying down a mountain trail on a bike, or leaping out of a plane, you need a camera that captures everything and never gets in the way. But not all action cams are built the same. Some perform better underwater, others are made for high speeds and intense vibration, and a few are versatile enough to handle just about anything. So today, we're breaking down the best action cameras for every kind of thrill, on land, in the water, and even in the air, so you can figure out exactly which one fits your next mission. All the product links are down in the description. Let's jump in. Let's start with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, which really hits that sweet spot for all-terrain and all-condition recording. This camera is compact, tough, and beautifully engineered for both land and water-based sports. It's equipped with a 1x1.3-inch sensor that records up to 4K at 120 frames per second, giving you crisp, slow-motion footage without losing detail. The 155-degree field of view is wide enough for immersive action shots, but still avoids heavy fisheye distortion. Where it really shines is underwater. It's waterproof down to 20 meters right out of the box, and with the optional dive housing, you can take it all the way to 60 meters. That makes it ideal for everything from snorkeling and freediving to casual scuba dives. If you're into kayaking, cliff jumping, or paddleboarding, this one's a rock-solid choice. It also handles high vibration scenarios really well thanks to rock-steady stabilization, keeping your footage buttery smooth even on rocky trails or zip lines. Battery life is around 90 minutes at 4K 60 per 1950 mAh battery, and the bundle includes 3 batteries and a fast charger, plenty to keep rolling all day. You get dual OLED touchscreens front and back, and at just 146 grams, it mounts easily to helmets, bikes, or chest rigs. It supports microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes. No 360 capture here, but if you're all about cinematic image quality in rugged or wet environments, this camera delivers big time. For those hitting the road or even the skies, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is one of the smartest tools you can strap to your setup. It's powered by a 1.13-inch sensor with Leica optics and shoots incredibly sharp 8K video at 24 frames per second or smooth 4K at up to 120. The 157-degree field of view gives you wide coverage without stretching the edges too far. What stands out here is the big flip-up 2.4-inch touchscreen. It's perfect for vlogging or framing from tough angles. One of the coolest features is dashcam mode. It starts recording automatically when it detects motion. That's a game changer for motorcyclists, cyclists, or paragliders who don't want to fiddle with buttons mid-action. It's waterproof up to 12 meters without a case and up to 50 meters with the optional dive housing. So while it handles water just fine, it's especially tuned for road and aerial sports. Battery life comes in around 170 minutes at moderate settings, and you can fast charge from 0 to 80% in under 20 minutes with 30-watt charging. Weighing 179 grams and supporting up to 1 terabyte microSD cards, this is the kind of camera that does the heavy lifting for you, thanks to its built-in AI that handles exposure, subject tracking, and even light balancing. If your adventures are fast, unpredictable, or hands-free, the Ace Pro 2 is a serious companion. Next is the GoPro Max 360, for those who don't want to miss a single angle. This camera features dual lenses that shoot full 360-degree video at 5.6K resolution, so you're capturing everything around you and choosing the best shot later in editing. Whether you're biking down a mountain trail, snowboarding, or jumping out of a plane, you won't need to worry about framing. You just record and reframe later. That's the real magic here. It's perfect for sports where the action is all around you, like skate parks, skydiving, or group hikes. Max Hypersmooth Stabilization and Horizon Lock keep your footage level and fluid, even during flips or rapid motion changes. It's waterproof up to 5 meters without a case, which is fine for rain, splashes, or brief dunks. Not ideal for diving. Battery life is about 70 minutes in 360 mode, or up to 110 minutes in Hero mode. It weighs just 154 grams and supports microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes. You also get full voice control, which is a lifesaver when your hands are busy mid-flight or mid-ride. Compared to the Ace Pro 2, you give up some sharpness, but gain full creative freedom. If you're all about immersive storytelling and want control over every frame, the Max is for you. Next up is the Insta360 X5, built for creators who want total flexibility and next-level clarity. This cam shoots in 8K 360 with dual 1-inch sensors, giving you insane dynamic range and crisp detail even in harsh lighting. like sunsets, forest shadows, or overcast landscapes. You can shoot in log, use RAW mode, or dial in ISO and exposure manually. So if you know your way around a color grade, this one gives you the tools. Flow state stabilization keeps your footage silky smooth, and the invisible selfie stick effect makes every shot look like it came from a drone. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without a case, or up to 50 meters with a dive housing. That's great for surface water sports or snorkeling, but not for deep diving. Battery life in 8K 360 sits around 50 to 60 minutes, powered by a 2,290 mAh removable battery. It fast charges via USB-C, supports up to 1 TB microSD cards, and weighs about 185 grams. The heaviest in this lineup, but for good reason. If you're filming cinematic content in wide open spaces, think paragliding, skiing, or drone-style shots, this camera lets you push creativity further than any other here. Then there's the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the latest evolution of a classic that just works everywhere. It shoots up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second, captures 27 megapixel stills, and now supports GP-Log color and HDR video. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization is seriously impressive. It locks the horizon even if the camera does a full 360 flip, which is wild for downhill mountain biking, snowboarding, or roller coasters. It's waterproof down to 10 meters without a case, or 60 meters with the official dive housing, making it equally strong in the ocean and on land. Battery life is around 90 minutes at 4K 30 using the Enduro battery, which holds up well even in freezing conditions. It weighs about 154 grams and accepts up to 512 GB micro SD cards. You've got full voice control, a front-facing screen, and mod support, so you can add the Max Lens mod for ultra-wide 156-degree views or even better horizon lock. It's not a 360 camera, but for people who want high-quality, rock-steady footage across every terrain, this is still one of the best all-around options on the market. Stepping into the budget category, the Akaso Brave 7 brings a lot of features at a very low cost. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second, takes 20 megapixel stills, and has dual-color screens, one on the front for selfies or vlogging, and one on the back with touch control. It's waterproof to 10 meters right out of the box and comes with a complete accessory kit. 2 batteries, mounts, remote, everything you need. Battery life averages about 90 minutes at 1080p and a bit less at 4K, but with 2 1350 mAh batteries included, you're good to go. Stabilization is basic but functional for things like walking, light biking, or kayaking. It has a 170-degree field of view and supports microSD cards up to 128 gigabytes. At just 120 grams, it's super light and easy to carry. If you're hiking, paddleboarding, or capturing family adventures, this is an awesome entry-level choice without the stress of damaging a pricey camera. And finally, the Akaso EK7000, the most affordable model in this group, but still a strong contender for simple needs. It shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, 2.7K at 30, and 1080p at 60 frames per second, with 16 megapixel stills. It includes a waterproof housing that goes down to 30 meters, so it's perfect for snorkeling, shallow dives, or kids splashing around in pools. Each battery gives you around 90 minutes at 1080p, and you get 2 1050 mAh batteries right out of the box. There's no touchscreen and stabilization is minimal, so it's best for steady activities like walking, fishing, or casual documenting. It weighs under 120 grams, supports up to 64 GB micro SD, and even comes with an HDMI out port. It's a grab-and-go cam that's perfect for families, travelers on a budget, or anyone who wants a backup camera they won't stress about losing or scratching. So let's make this easy. If you're headed into the water, scuba diving, snorkeling, surfing, kayaking, your best bet is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's the only one that can go 20 meters deep without a case and 60 with one. For a more traditional option, the GoPro Hero 13 is also excellent underwater. For motorsports or fast-moving aerial action like skydiving or paragliding, go with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. That dashcam mode, wind control, and 8K clarity make it perfect for the road or the sky. The Hero 13 is also a strong option for cold, high-altitude trips. If your adventures happen on land, trail runs, hikes, climbing, biking, the Hero 13 and DJI Osmo both offer great stabilization and long-lasting batteries. If you want every angle captured, the GoPro Max 360 is great for reframing later. For cinematic aerial footage or immersive storytelling, the Insta360 X5 is hands down the most powerful creative tool here. And for those just getting started or on a tight budget, the Akaso Brave 7 and EK7000 cover the basics very well without sacrificing too much function. All the links to these cameras are right down in the description, so check those out and find the one that matches your style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.